Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today you are watching me, imagine that. It's 5:55 p.m. and we have just gotten bunnies. And the first part of this video is where I showed you fish. So this is the second part. This white one right here is, we don't have a name for her. They're brother and sister. And that one is the boy. We wanted to name the girl Oreo, but she happened to be white and gray, not white and black, like we thought. And the other one is just dark gray, so we don't know what to name him yet. Aerial view. The bunnies appear to be liking lettuce, cabbage, carrots, and just grass. And they also like the
hay,
yeah, and whatever that is right there. Pellets, whatever. So yeah, that's all. Short 2 videos. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm that famous TikTok lady.
Yeah. Outro.
Okay.
Outro. Go.
Outro. Yeet.